Drive into this stunning property and you are instantly captivated by its natural beauty. Nestled on a 10.89-acre lot with a beautiful meandering stream is this impeccable P&B Contemporary Cape. Walkout lower level sports a generous family room, office, full bath and laundry with storage. The main level is an open floor plan combining a cathedral living room, dining room and kitchen. There are also 2 bedrooms and a full bath on this level. The master is located on the 2nd story and has a reading nook and loft as well as a full bath. The sun-filled floor plan will delight on even the darkest day. There's a barn as well, the perfect home for a menagerie of different animals, fenced pasture A+. In addition there is a heated office and sauna on the 2nd floor. Minutes from area college.